If you're feeling unusually tired, gaining weight, or experiencing mood changes, your thyroid might be the culprit. Hi everyone, it's Claudia over at the Metairie location, and I am here to discuss thyroid therapy. The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of your neck. Despite its size, your thyroid plays a huge role in metabolism, energy levels, and your overall well-being. When your thyroid is not working correctly, it can cause a wide range of symptoms that may be mistaken for other conditions. Some symptoms can include weight gain or weight loss, depression and anxiety, fatigue, dry skin and hair, and more. Diagnosing thyroid disorders typically involves a combination of medical history and lab tests to measure hormone levels. Effective thyroid therapy can improve your quality of life by alleviating symptoms and restoring normal hormone levels. If you suspect you have a thyroid issue or want to learn more, schedule a consultation with Rejuvime Medical today.